You're celebrating your birthday, you're in a restaurant with your best friends, and you're enjoying your favorite red wine. A glass a day keeps the doctor at bay. Is red wine healthy for your body, and how much is safe to consume for you on a daily basis to get the optimal health benefits? My name is Peggy Schirmer from peggyschirmer.com. I warmly welcome you to Gut Feelings, the channel to support you heal your digestion so you have all the vibrant energy to manifest your gifts in the world. Imagine you're sitting at the dinner table with your best friends and your partner. It's your birthday, you're celebrating, you have a great meal, and you have the good glass of red wine, the Pinot Noir, the Cabernet Sauvignon, the Merlot, and there is this little voice in your head which tells you red wine, just one glass is healthy for your body. Now, red wine is such a part of our culture, and even more in France, where people officially live longer because they drink red wine. France was also the region where I discovered the first time red wine and what good red wine is. I lived in the south of France, and my favorite area for wine was Languedoc-Roussillon. That's where I lived as well, and I just loved it. Like, once I understood it and I had all the taste in my mouth, it's just awesome to, after a busy day, to just lie down and relax and have this glass of wine and really taste it and treasure it and have the relaxing effect for the sleep. Now, this video is about if red wine is healthy for you and how much should you drink. Now, let me ask you, what do you think? What do you think is best for your body? Do you think it's true that a glass of wine per day keeps the doctor at bay? Is red wine healthy or not? Have you heard of all the studies that have proven that red wine is the most healthy of all kinds of alcohol, and that it can help you to decrease your risk of heart diseases, it can help you lower cholesterol, and because of the antioxidants that are naturally present in red wine, it can even help as a sun blocker, which protects our cells from getting damaged from the UV light that our skin is exposed to. There are even studies that show that red wine can help with breast cancer because of the anti-cancer properties of an antioxidant called resveratrol, which is naturally contained in red wine. Resveratrol is anti-aging, it's highly antioxidant, it helps to reduce weight, it lowers cholesterol, it lowers high blood pressure, and it even improves your eyesight. Isn't that amazing? And this is one of the main ingredients that are healthy for your body. Guys, so now you might wondering, is red wine healthy now or not? Well, let's look into what is red wine made of. It's made out of grapes, out of red grapes. And these red grapes, they contain the resveratrol, and they contain phytonutrients, they contain rich minerals and mineral salts. And these are the basis for why red wine is so much healthier than any beer or any liquor. And probably that's also why the French people are more healthy, at least on the countryside. So let's go out there and drink a liter red wine per day, right? No, because there is a shadow side to all the health benefits that red wine and grapes bring with them. Because you have the resveratrol, you have the antioxidants, you have the phytonutrients, and on the other side you have alcohol. You have alcohol in there. And this is the main and the only reason why red wine is not healthy for your body. Did you know, and this is really, if you take anything away from this video, this is what I want you to take away, is your liver. You know that your liver doesn't like alcohol, but out of the 500 functions that your liver has, taking out toxins of your body is one. And for your body, alcohol is a toxin. It's a neurotoxin. It can cross the blood-brain barrier. That means that the alcohol in the red wine can directly damage your neurons, your neurological system. And this is why for the body, if there's alcohol present in the body, your body goes on alarm mode. Especially your liver, because it's not only your largest internal organ, but it's also the main detoxifier of your blood. So the one thing that I love you to take away from this video is that once your liver, when alcohol is present in your system, your liver, which normally does different functions at the same time, stops everything. Everything drops. Yeah, there's no detoxification happening from other toxins. There is no bile production, which is very, very important for your digestive system, for your digestive health. No vitamins and minerals get stored, and there are 500 other functions, or let's say 499, that won't happening because alcohol is such a threat for the body, and your liver does everything to get that alcohol out first thing. That means during the time when alcohol is present in your body, you start gaining fat, your digestion will be impaired because the bile production came to a stop, less digestive enzymes are produced, and all the toxins that you have in your body already and that you eat through the food and through breathing in accumulate in your system, which puts an even higher burden on your liver and on your whole system afterwards. Okay guys, now you might think, oh my god, I love red wine, I love everything about it, and we're so entrained that this have a glass of wine and relax, it's healthy for your body, you have all the antioxidants in there. This is so part of our collective knowledge that we get entrained through all the advertisement and stuff. And of course all the studies that are shown that red wine is healthier than any other alcohol doesn't make it healthy at all. So I was thinking of what can I present you as an alternative, because I love red wine too, as I've shared with you, especially South France. So what can you do if you are going out with friends on dinner, or you have a dinner party at your house? Everybody's drinking red wine and you know it's not good for you, but what to do? You want to have something similar at least. So I've created something that is a delicious red wine alternative that boosts with health and nutrients and that your body will love. And there's not going to be any alcohol in there, of course, but you're going to have the pleasure, you're going to have the taste of grapes, and it's a great beverage to share as well with your friends who want to be more healthy and more loving and kind with their body. I shared the recipe with you in the next video. I'm going to link that up here. And if you feel alone on this journey of healing your liver, healing your digestion, losing weight, just becoming really the person you deserve to be, then know we are at least 2 people already who try out this red wine alternative, and it's really easy to make and it actually tastes pretty good. If you're struggling, let me know in the comments below. I'm happy to help and just see that you are involved, improving your health and really going for it. I also warmly welcome you to our Gut Feelings community. You can press the little logo, I linked that here, and then you will be updated whenever a new video comes out. I see you in the next video. Have a lovely day. Bye.